Living on minimum wage in the US can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you, you can still save $500 a month? Sounds crazy? Let's break it down. First, track every dollar. First, track every dollar you spend. Use free apps like Mint or a simple spreadsheet. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. 2. Cut the extras. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook meals at home. Walk or bike instead of using Uber. These small changes save big money over time. 3. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Split your income like this: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. If you earn $2,000 a month, that's $400 set aside. Easy. 4th, use cash, not cards. Try using cash for groceries, transport, and fun. When the cash runs out, spending stops. It's simple, but powerful. Outro. Saving $500 a month won't be easy, but it's possible. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Your future self will thank you.